Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix muted video on TikTok. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open TikTok. Once you open TikTok, you simply need to click on the plus icon and try to upload that video again. So let me select the video on where I am having an issue. Okay. So once you are here, you simply need to you can see that voice. You simply need to click on voice effects. If you want, you can add voice effects. If you want, you can do a voiceover. Click on the next, or you can click on first sounds, and you have two options. Click on volume, and if there is an issue with the original sound, you simply need to mute that, and you simply need to increase the volume of added sound. So this is a process by which you can fix muted video on TikTok. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.